A multiple choice examination has 200 questions, each with 4 possible answers, of which only one is correct. The probability that sheer guesswork yields from 25 to 30 correct answers for 80 of the 200 problems about which the student has no knowledge is to be calculated using normal approximation to the binomial distribution. What is the mean and the standard deviation? So ito yung i-convert mo yung normal approximation to binomial distribution. So guys, na to, may formula na dito. So pakitandaan na lang. So kapag gusto mo i-convert yung normal to binomial, no? So ang mean is palaging n times p. Okay? So ito yung probability of success. Ito yung sa binomial distribution. Tapos ito naman yung number of trials. Okay? Tapos ito na yung mean, no? Ito na yung mean ng standard deviation. I mean, mean of the normal distribution. Okay? Tapos yung standard deviation naman ay tandaan nyo na rin square root of NPQ. Okay, where Q is the probability of fail. Okay? So dito, ang probability natin ng success is 1/4 kasi multiple choice, di ba? 4 yung choices. Tapos ang probability na fail is 3/4. Tapos, ang gusto natin computein ay guesswork for the 80 of the. So ito, 80. Ito yung gusto natin i-convert, no? Yung number of items na gusto lang natin computein is yung 80. So, and then from there, makakompute na natin. So 80 times 1/4. So 20 yung mean. Tapos yung standard deviation ay square root of 20 times 1/4 times 3/4. So that is 1 point bakit to? Sorry, 8. Hindi pala 20. 80 pala to. So 3.87. So that's letter A.